Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to convert Sweatcoin to Gcash. Open the app and select Get 5 Coin. After that, you will need to share the link with your friends. Here's another way to share it with your friends. Go to the last page where the top groups, activities and friends are displayed. Click on a friend and then scroll down to see the copy link there. As you can see, I haven't shared it yet because I don't really have any friends. But you may do this and receive money. You must share this link with 20 people before you can transfer your money. Upon reaching the home page, you will have the opportunity to share the link with 20 friends, which will take you to the Influencer Hub. From there, you may use Gcash outro to get your money. And as always, please leave a comment. If you have any problem, please let me know. Thanks for watching and do make sure to subscribe the video.